Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to make mung beans, or ndengu as we call it in Kenya. This is all we need and you'll find all the ingredients in the description box. To start with, I'll deep fry the potatoes until they're cooked and golden brown. The potatoes are well cooked and ready. Then add the onions and cook until they start turning golden brown. Now add all the spices and cook for about a minute. Now I'll add the tomato paste and cook for about a minute. Add the blended tomatoes and cook until reduced. So the tomatoes are well cooked. Now add the coconut milk and cook for about 3 minutes. I'll now add the ndengu, which I had already pre-boiled. Mix well, cover and cook on very low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. This will allow the ndengu to absorb all the nice flavors from the sauce. And now add the cooked potatoes and the carrots. You can now add some water depending on how much sauce you want. Let it cook for another few minutes, and lastly you can add the dhania or coriander. So the ndengu stew is now ready to serve. I like mine with rice or chapati. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.